Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will talk about a highly fragrant plant which can be seen mostly in the summers. It blooms freely from the spring throughout the fall in multiple colors, and mine is of pink variety Plumeria. They are actually small plants used for ornamental purpose. It is generally kept in balcony or terrace area. But I will suggest to keep this plant in full sunlight. Then the flowers will bloom in the more proper way. Plumeria plant's flower has such a strong, sweet smell that entering in my terrace garden gives me a fresh environment. And this smell also attracts pollinators, which is very much beneficial for all my plants in the terrace. I have kept my plant in 8 to 10 inches of pot. It needs well drained soil, and the preparation of the soil is very easy. For that, it needs 20% of vermicompost or cow dung compost, 20% of sand, and 60% of garden soil. In my experience, I can tell you that in summers, when other plant needs more water, this Plumeria plant can stay without water for 2 days as it stores water in its leaves, which doesn't let the plant dry out. This is called the flower stem of the Plumeria. Its one problem is that if we prune this stem mistakenly, then we will not be able to get flowers that year if no any other flower stem is present. Plumerias blooms in bunches. When one bunch of flower falls down, then another bunch of flower blooms. This process continues till June to November. And talking about the branches, Plumeria plant has rough, blunt, sausage-like thick grey-green branches. Its branches are upright and rather crowded on the trunk, forming an umbrella shape with the edge. The milky sap is exuded from the branches when they are bruised, which can irritate skin and eyes if mistakenly touched. So, if you have small babies at your home, then they should be kept away from it. And now about leaves. It is famous for its broad leaves, and you can see from here, along with new baby leaves, flower stem is also in the process of growing, which will bloom flowers in the next few days. After the flowering season, when the plant will become almost big in size, then you can prune it and grow another plumeria from its cutting. Plumerias can be grown from the cuttings also. This cutting I got it from the roadside, so let's see if it grows properly or not. And if it grows, I will definitely show you all on one of my videos. At last, I want to say that if any information which we could not tell, then you all are free to comment and tell us. So, if you all like my video, then please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a good day.